Hi, I'm Edith. Do you know what PMM is? Percona Monitoring Management, also known as PMM, is an open source database, monitoring, observability, and management tool. We can monitor the health of our database infrastructure with customizable dashboards and real-time alerts using Grafana and Victorian metrics. In this tutorial, we will cover two steps. First, set up a PMM server that collects data and displays it. Second, install a PMM client that sends data from our database to the PMM server. For this example, we will work with MySQL, but you can do the same with PostgreSQL, MongoDB, or AWS RDS. Let's start it. Set up PMM server. We will set up PMM server with Docker. The first command to run is to download the latest version of the PMM2 image from the official Percona account on Docker Hub. The image is downloaded and ready to be used. Now we will create a container to persist the data. PMM expects the data volume to be in SRV. All metrics, plugins, and logs will be saved in this volume, and this is the one to backup. That has been done. Now we can start our container PMM server. We are exposing this container on port 443, which is good for security. With the flag volumes from, we are using the volume created in the previous step called PMM data. Nice! The container for PMM server is now running. Let's discover the public IP of this server doing a curl. And let's take the IP address to the browser. Initially, we get a warning from our browser about an insecure SSL certificate. This is because PMM uses a self-signed certificate by default, which we can bypass in our browser by typing "this is unsafe" in the same page. Now we have the web UI of PMM, where we will log in using the default user and password admin. It will ask to change the password, so let's do it to admin 2020. Here in the home dashboard, we can see information about nodes and services that are being monitored. Install PMM Client. PMM Client is a collection of agents and exporters installed on each host running a database that needs to be monitored. It will collect system metrics, database metrics, and query analytics. Let's install it. First, download Percona repo package. Then, install this repo package. Update the package list. Install Percona Monitoring and Management Client. And finally, verify the installation with this command, sudo pmmadmin-p. Register PMM client with PMM server. We will use PMM admin, which is part of our PMM client. We use the URL of PMM server with our user and password. Create PMM User for monitoring. Let's create a MySQL user with appropriate privileges using MySQL CLI. Register the server for monitoring. We use PMM admin to register the database, using the user we create in MySQL to monitor. Once this is added, we will go to the PMM dashboard to see the node and database ready to be monitored. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this tutorial. For more advanced installation and configuration options, please see the full download and documentation pages, or visit our Percona Monitoring and Management Forum for additional assistance. See you in the next tutorial.